Hey everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. Johnny Ringo here, excited to show you this bus. Why this bus? One of my favorite buses. That's a Bluebird. That's a 2010 Bluebird All-American. But check this out. This isn't any Bluebird. This is powered by that 8.3 Cummins back there. A lot of power with that. But also this comes with aluminum rims, 46 seating passengers, high back individual seats. We've got some monitors in there, overhead parcel storage. This has all the options and underbelly storage. Let's take a walk around, check it out. With those LED headlights, good looking front end, nice and clean. This is not your run-of-the-mill Bluebird. It is nice. Clean white, look how bright white that is. Of course, you got your fuse panel here. You know, with your diagram, manage all that. If you're curious what was in there.
Side door.
Side door, underbelly storage, underbelly's pass-through storage. All right, Dan, should we do the sunny side or the other side? Whatever you get with the camera a little better.
Other side.
Overhead parcel storage. But look at those clean lines. Man, this thing is good looking. Tires are great on this bus, by the way. Lots of meat. Back in, straight bumper. Nobody's backed into anything. Let's check out that 8.3 Cummins propelled by an Allison transmission. Wow, clean engine compartment. That looks good. Great running bus. Other side, same story, straight metal, bright white.
You mentioned coach style windows.
I did not, Dan, thank you. Yeah, coach style windows, check those out. This is a cool bus. I mean, it could do all kinds of stuff with this bus. You know, do tour and charter. Nice pass-through storage. You got your all those. Of course, you have your fuel fill here. How many gallons do you think? 100 gallons of diesel.
Sounds good.
Holds 100 gallons of diesel. This bus does not take DEF though, so you need to know that. Driver's area is all in great shape. Look at that driver's seat. You have a little nick over here on the side, but it is comfy. All your controls. Of course, I have the bus off, but we can. Let me just show them. I'll just fire the bus up real quick. AC controls.
Like 3 heaters.
We do.
There's 3.
Fires right up. Through its cycles there and everything else. And look at that, what I was going to try and impress everybody with was 135,000 miles. Not bad. Panasonic stereo. You've got, let me turn on the lights here. You got awesome lights.
6 monitors.
Seats are in great. What do you rank the seats, Dan? Anything on the back sides?
I could honestly say we got bumped down to a 9.5. We got one little rip right
One little
there.
nick. But overhead parcel storage with the individual.
Can't do a 10 with that.
No 10. Individual lights. We got duct AC. I didn't point that out. Over the parcel storage. That's nice. Like I said, this thing is loaded with all the options. It's got all the goodies in it.
Floor is in great shape.
Look at that thing. 2010 Bluebird All-American, one of my favorite buses. I think you'd agree. If you'd like more information on this bus, go to LasVegasBusSales.com for pricing and availability, or give us a call, 877-456-9804. It's a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.